This is gonna blow your mind. Seriously, what if I told you that the secret to burning fat isn't just about cutting calories or spending hours at the gym? What if instead you could actually eat your way to a slimmer, healthier body? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me, because today, we're diving into the world of foods that don't just fill you up, they help you burn fat faster than you ever thought possible. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey, or you're looking for that extra edge to break through a plateau, these foods are about to become your new best friends. So, get ready to be amazed, because the science behind these fat-burning foods is going to change the way you look at your plate forever. Some foods actually help you lose weight. That's right. While most people think of food as something that adds pounds, there are certain foods that do the exact opposite. These aren't magic pills or fad diet tricks. They're real, whole foods that work with your body's natural processes to torch fat, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling satisfied. Imagine eating delicious meals and snacks that not only taste amazing but also help you reach your weight loss goals. It's not just about what you cut out of your diet, it's about what you add in. And the best part? These foods are easy to find, affordable, and can be enjoyed in countless ways. So, let's break the myth that losing weight means starving yourself or eating bland, boring meals. Instead, let's focus on the power of smart food choices that fuel your body and fire up your fat-burning engines. Let's chow down and slim down. Picture this, you're sitting around the table with friends or family enjoying a meal that's not only delicious but also working behind the scenes to help you shed those stubborn pounds. No more feeling deprived or left out at social gatherings. With the right foods on your plate, you can eat well, feel full, and still make progress toward your goals. It's all about making smart swaps and building your meals around ingredients that support your metabolism and keep your hunger in check. So, grab a fork, invite your loved ones, and get ready to discover how eating together can be both fun and fat-burning. Alright, first up, eggs. Packed with protein, they keep you full and kick cravings to the curb. But there's more to eggs than just their protein punch. Eggs are also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, all of which play a role in supporting your metabolism and overall health. Studies have shown that starting your day with eggs can help you eat fewer calories throughout the day, thanks to their ability to keep you satisfied for hours. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or as part of a veggie-packed omelet, eggs are a versatile and affordable way to power up your mornings. And don't worry about the cholesterol myth. Recent research has shown that for most people, eggs don't negatively impact heart health. So, go ahead and enjoy them guilt-free as a breakfast staple or a quick, protein-rich snack. Next, Greek yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and loaded with protein to keep your stomach happy. But Greek yogurt isn't just about taste, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports weight loss in several ways. The high protein content helps build and maintain lean muscle, which is crucial for burning more calories at rest. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt support a healthy gut, which has been linked to better weight management and reduced belly fat. Swap out sugary breakfast cereals or desserts for a bowl of Greek yogurt, topped with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. It's a satisfying treat that curbs your sweet tooth while fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to burn fat efficiently. And if you're lactose intolerant, look for lactose-free or plant-based Greek-style yogurts to get the same benefits. Want a snack? Grab some berries. Low in calories, high in fiber, and they taste like candy. Berries are nature's perfect snack for anyone looking to lose weight. Their vibrant colors aren't just beautiful, they're a sign of powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support your body's fat-burning processes. The fiber in berries slows down digestion, keeping you full longer and preventing those mid-afternoon energy crashes. Whether you prefer strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, you can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. Add them to your morning oatmeal, toss them into salads, or simply eat them by the handful for a guilt-free treat. And because they're naturally sweet, berries can help you cut back on added sugars without sacrificing flavor. Now don't sleep on leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce. You can eat a mountain of these and barely make a dent in your calories. Leafy greens are the unsung heroes of weight loss. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but what really sets them apart is their low calorie density. That means you can fill your plate with generous portions, feel satisfied, and still stay within your calorie goals. Plus, the fiber in greens helps regulate your digestion and keeps you feeling full, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacks. Try adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, tossing kale into soups and stews, or building a hearty salad with a mix of lettuces, veggies, and a lean protein. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for the nutrient boost. Oh, and spicy foods, like chili peppers? They boost your metabolism and make you burn more calories. Yes, really. The secret lies in a compound called capsaicin, which gives chili peppers their heat. Capsaicin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. This means that adding a little spice to your meals can help you burn more calories, even when you're at rest. Plus, spicy foods can help curb your appetite, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. If you're not a fan of super hot foods, start with milder peppers or add a dash of hot sauce to your favorite dishes. Over time, you might find yourself craving that extra kick and the fat-burning benefits that come with it. Last tip. Drink water before meals. Your brain sometimes thinks you're hungry when you're just thirsty. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support weight loss. Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel fuller, so you naturally eat less. Plus, proper hydration supports your metabolism, helps your body burn fat more efficiently, and keeps your energy levels up. If plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fresh fruits, herbs, or a splash of citrus for a refreshing twist. And remember, sometimes what feels like hunger is actually your body's way of asking for more fluids. So, before you reach for a snack, try drinking a glass of water and see if the craving passes. Swap out junk, pile on these foods, and watch the pounds drop. Making the switch from processed, high-calorie foods to nutrient-dense, fat-burning options doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by identifying the biggest sources of empty calories in your diet. Think sugary drinks, chips, cookies, and fried foods. Then, replace them with the foods we've talked about today. Eggs, Greek yogurt, berries, leafy greens, and spicy peppers. Not only will you feel more satisfied, but you'll also be giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat and build lean muscle. Meal prepping can make this transition even easier. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare healthy meals and snacks so you're always ready to make a smart choice. Over time, these small changes add up to big results, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel, both inside and out. Try these out, and thank me later. Remember, the journey to a healthier, leaner you doesn't have to be about deprivation or endless restrictions. By focusing on foods that naturally support your body's fat-burning abilities, you can enjoy delicious meals, feel satisfied, and see real results. So give these top fat-burning foods a try, experiment with new recipes, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Share your progress with friends and family and celebrate every victory along the way. You've got this, and your future self will thank you for making these smart, tasty choices. Here's to eating well, feeling great, and burning fat the delicious way.